Alright, so we're gonna be starting a radio install. You would think I would just hurry up and do my door seals, but you know, whatever. I just keep putting this bad boy on like it's nothing. It doesn't leak bad, it's just annoying because you gotta keep doing it when it rains. But priority. You can just install a stereo. But hey, spider. Hasn't been raining. It's not gonna rain for about 2 weeks if the weather doesn't change, but it is south, so you never know when it's actually gonna rain. But got this little plate. Hopefully it's, yeah, there we go. The reason why I got this plate is because the person before me decided they wanted to install a double din or whatever. Wasn't done very well. So I just been put my little screen in. I'll probably put that back that way. I had to get into my wiring, so it's all under there. I had to fix something. But this is gonna help take up a lot of the issues. I hope. Maybe we might put it that way. So it's gonna be perfect because they really went to town. It looks like we can catch a couple holes. Well, I'll just make new ones. Why not? But that's it. That covers it up for majority. Plus the stereo is gonna go in. You're not really gonna see it. But I got some 6x9s and couple little guys. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them yet, but we'll figure that out together. We're running into an issue with my 6x9s. My old this is not, I can't remember. Kept this on the note where all right. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. We'll figure this out. So we're let's see what we're working here with. This is what I got going on back here. The old trusty fire extinguisher. Always got to have one of this. But what we're running into, let me get you not pointed correctly, obviously, but hopefully you can see that. So we're fitting in. I gotta push it down a little. That doesn't sound good, you know, whatever. So we fit fine right there, and then we go to boop. We're hitting. So, of course, leave it to me. Wonder. No. I was gonna say it can put it down flat, or we can just, you know, be super uncomfortable and just sit like that. We'll drive. Call it good. Got tunes. Nothing's ever easy. I can tell you that. I don't even know if you're seeing what I'm struggling. Probably not. Hopefully. Oh. And we're back. Live. Well, so we're struggling with that. Struggling with those. Those are kind of there for a good time until we figure out what we're doing. with life. So we have to figure out what we want to do. And the crazy thing is, I have a sub that's going to go back here. Luckily, it's a lot thinner than this box. Let me think. I'll bring it back. All right. Looks like you can see. So I got the 6x9s right here. I got the 6.5s right here. We're just gonna drop everything. Apparently, we're just gonna go for it and just send it all right here. Just kidding. So I think I'm gonna take those out. Actually, I think I'm gonna take those out and put them in the back. Maybe. Wonder if I may get a shallower box. I'll probably install 2 speakers for right now. Just because, you know, you gotta have priorities. Just have music. But I also don't remember which ones sound better. Or I may take these off and Tina Code. He made some brackets and mounted some speakers up there. Might do that too. If I wasn't using these air vents, I would definitely put them right there. But I still use those until I get my AC. Oh, wait, do these ones fit better in the door? Let's see here. Or, you know what I can do? I can just take these speakers, these 6.5s, and because I got some plexiglass, I can just make some plexiglass door inserts and put those in. I think we're probably going to do that. Because the 6.9s will probably hit for sure if I did that. We may do the 6x9s actually, and do the 5.5s in the middle. Or we might just do the 6x9s on the doors and wham bam, thank you ma'am, call it good. At least I won't have this to look at, and then when I get my AC, I can. You know what we're gonna do? I think we're going to do the plexiglass thing. I do have a template of one I was going to try and weld the hole in that somebody is doing what I'm about to do. But, you know, we'll use their template as a template. So let's get the stereo going. We'll get the stereo going, then we'll worry about the doors. All right, so got our plate. I went and got some inserts, the beveled edge in there, so it just looks flush and cleaner. We'll install those. We're gonna use some self tappers to get us started. Gotta figure out where we want it, because if I put it right here, it's just gonna bolt out like that, and I can't really get a good flat surface because how they cut it. So we're gonna flip it around. Put it right here. We'll have a little bit of a gap, but nothing horrible. I should have known. It would fall right in. At least that holds it. So I'm gonna put that right there. Just something you gotta be careful too when of course you got speakers around. Just throw right on top of it. Oh, did it fall in there? No, no. Flew past me. I didn't even see that. Alright. So, gonna bevel a little. Yeah, so it is what it is. Well, that would be tight too, so, well, once I get that going. So, now that we got our hole going, we know we're going to, what size do we need these? Obviously, grab my drill, because, you know, that would have been easier to just bring it in with me. And of course, my batteries are all dead because I was using them for something else. So I got them charging, so we're just gonna wing ding it with it. Take it one step up. That size is good. Just a little bit more. A little more. She's hungry. That should be big enough. Just a little more off. I'll just go to ham on this because we don't got much to work with. Try not to take too much out either. Oh, well, I just did it anyways. Alright, well, that's that one. All that up. There's a second. Oh, I guess we gotta take a little more off of her. Oh, alright, alright. Well, you just worked out great. Talking about. Put this on not mock Jesus. Okay, maybe we did need it on mock Jesus. Well, that sucks. We can get that to stick, hopefully. It'll be a nice little strong insert. Alright, so let me grab my insert tool and try to remember how to do this so I look like a pro. Look like a master mechanic, like I'm on YouTube. Let's see here, what we got. Oh wait, do I really get it in there? No, that's apparently misplaced my 8x32 for these. So what we're gonna do in the meantime, because I'll have it tomorrow, is let's do the old self tapper. We'll move over a little bit because what's another hole? Oh, gotta love it when you're trying to do something on your day off, trying to get everything going. don't get many days off, so I take advantage. Like yesterday. Okay, so if I put another hole, cover it up. Yesterday I did the old honey-do list on something that needed to get done. Had to tear a patio roof off. Now I'm just waiting to build that back up. So we're going to put that right there. It's nice. Real nice. Everything's fine. The correct way to fix this is weld it up and cut yourself a new hole, but you know, that'd be the logical thinking of everything. But we like to do everything difficult around here. Because why not? Alright. Let's see when that's bolted down. It's a little more accurate. I may put some rubber foam behind it because I know that will drive me nuts. So, after the good stuff. I went with super basic. Something I can just Bluetooth connect to, call it good. So, now, let's pull this out. See what we got. That'll wrap. Watch, this doesn't fit. That'd be my luck. Mind you, I'm not a stereo installer. Did this a long time ago. Oh, once or twice. There should be keys somewhere. Hopefully. There. All right. Add screws. Pull this bad boy off. Alright. So, if you don't know how to install, you just take those, put them right there. Everybody happy. Somehow I just reconnected it. It's probably because you're supposed to go the other way and I pulled it that way. So, let's see if that's. Oh yeah. I was about to get a little annoyed. Alright, so you can take those tabs and just bend them up and make it tighter. We're definitely have to put those tabs. So, alright, what we're gonna do this one more time. I think I may take that out so I can bend the tabs in and out and have a good old time because we love taking things in and out, in and out, in and out. Alright. Let's take this out. So you guys are still seeing this? Click on you. Yeah, you kind of see it. So these are those tabs I was talking about. You just bend them, make everything tight and fit. Of course, I didn't bring a screwdriver or anything, because that would have been smart. Alright. Quick break. Get me some food. Made this a little better fitting. A little less movement. Let's get that girl going again. Alright. So slide that back in the hole. There we go. Alright. So now that we got that, we just need one more course. Start recording. Can't find my screw that I just had. It's always like when you put your wrench down, you're like, stay. And you look back and it's gone. Maybe that's my life. Never set my life, put something down, I'm like, oh, where'd it go? Got the neighbors out walking. Hopefully. Usually they stop and try and say hi, and it's just fine. I don't mind having a little conversation, but it usually breaks into the video. Alright, well, we're just gonna grab one more thing. Alright, let's get this going. Made the insert a little tighter. Alright, so now we got that. When I put my inserts in, when I use the actual nice bolts, I'm going to put some foam so it doesn't sit there and rattle, because I know that will drive me nuts. Even though the way I like listening to music is loud, so I probably won't actually hear it. I'm actually going to leave that out. I'm going to take this. We're going to drop it like that, because, you know, why not? Alright. Those are going to be speakers. Going to be ground, power, or remote. That's going to be power. Well, that's going to be remotes for the sub. So let's find the wire for my stereo. Wiper. So now we just need to have a wire for my stereo or radio ignition right there. Nice thing about having a wire loom that is riding all over it makes finding that wire easy. So let's rerun that wire back over here. everything's all jumbled up, and I figured I'd make everything nice after I get the stereo installed. Again. Alright, there we go. I got past the bracket of the standing column. Back out now. I can reach over this way. How's that way, Shiny? Bend all the way around so I can grab things and make it easier. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright. We got the power. I'm going to bring that through here. See some things. Alright. Alright. So, we're gonna fit this one a little. Now, if your wiring harness has it's very own dedicated stereo wire. Perfect. Like mine. That makes things simpler. Yep. I just come over here. Let's see here. Red number 13, which I doubt they numbered these. I'm gonna take their word. I'll cut this one a little. Ignition. I like giving a little tug so you know it's set. Alright. I need to find a place to put a ground, which I'll probably put one over here. Yeah, that's probably where I'll put it. Little spot over here that I can put a ground, put a little eyelet on it. I got this little kit right here. I refilled it a few times. Wow. Works out good. Hopefully I got you back in there. Get me an eyelet. Yeah. Well, stick with wire. Oh, out there. Don't worry. These are got the heat shrink on there. I'll do it. Don't worry. I like doing it all at once. So, that being said, I need to add this to the accessory. They took my ignition out so I can add a wire to the power. The yellow one needs to go straight battery, which is yellow. Alright. What is orange? Illumination. Illumination. Anybody's ever watched the Minions, you'll get it. Battery. Alright, well, I'm going to get some wire and run this to the ignition. I'm going to touch that ground. Alright, so I didn't realize my was not recording, so catch you guys up. Got everything wired to the ignition. Turns on when it turns on, when you flip the switch. Now we just got to run the wires for the speakers, which I'm just going to run the 2 for right now. And then I think I'm going to put the 6x9s in the door, if they'll fit, now that I think about that. But at least the 2 will fit perfect right there, and it will hide some of the wires I got to run underneath the carpet for the sub. Looks like I need to change the battery for the camera, but I'm going to heat shrink these real quick, run everything up, and then I'll bring it right back. Well, I'll probably just keep it coming, actually, now that I think about it. So, I think I can see those wires from down yonder. Let's see here. It'll be a pain in the ass to do, but what's not being difficult? Actually, that. I'm gonna grab my faceplate. Put that in. Faceplate goes on the stereo, dummy. Let's knock that out. Very old school. Kept it cool. Alright, let's try this again. Put that back in there. Alright. Looks like it won't be too bad on the speakers. At least I need my tachometer. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my signal, but we'll figure that out. There's my faceplate. Oh, there it is. Alright. We're all in. Alright, there we go. Not bad. Doesn't look bad. Mind you, though, those will look better. Don't worry. It doesn't look bad. Not horrible. So I had an extra one of these laying around. We're going to click. Gonna, yeah, let's get this over so I can show you what I've done. So this is an old skin off a door that I had laying around. So we're gonna cut it and trace it and use it. This is a plexiglass. Not sure what size it was or thickness. Thought it would have said on here. I bought this because I was gonna make a single piece window in my either in my 62 or my 58. I was gonna do it in, and I ordered 2 sheets and they sent me 4, which I probably could have read it wrong where there was 2 in each order. But hey, what can I say? It wasn't entirely expensive. So I'll take it. Win's a win. So we're going to we got a little skill saw I'm gonna use. Hey, check that out. Winning. Alright. So the mysterious skills. I had to buy special blades for this. I remember this now. I had to buy special blades to cut this. It's a bimetal jigsaw blade for plexiglass. Diablo. Is there a part number on here? No part metal or no part number. But basically, if you just look up plexiglass Diablo blades, I bet you'll find it pretty easy. Let's see here. Alrighty, so we're going to put some nuts inserts in the door because I decided instead of doing the clips, I'm gonna put those in. I did one look like that. I'm gonna paint them black, so I'm not worried about the whole gold. Pretty simple, just like the dash. Trying my best to just get it centered. Kids wanted to come out and play, so they're out there riding their bikes and whatnot. You hear random screams. But I'll put you on a time lapse. I'll bust these out real quick. So I'm going to show you the final product. I already finished on this side, so that's what it looks like. See through. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave those gold or just paint them black. I'll probably paint them. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice for freestyling the door panel, kind of. I wish normally the speakers come with the cutout so you can mark it and cut it, but because how I had these, that's what it was. Had to do my own cut, but it's turned out nice. I'm gonna be building boxes for those. Those are, since I'm still wiring, they're kind of just thrown back in there. But yeah, I want to say thanks for watching and going along this crazy journey I'm still going on with the 62. We'll be back on the Bel Air for some more metal work, and then we're waiting on parts for the 58 for the electric steering. And next video, I'll be showing the new frame for the Bel Air. So if showing we're going a different route on that frame. The original frame from the Bel Air, we got a new frame for it. Well, new used, but it's a huge upgrade for 54 to the year that we got the frame from. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys liking and subscribing and showing all the love. But yeah, stay tuned. There's more to come.